So our sound level meter is now turned on. We know now how to turn it off. And let's have a look at some of the basic features that you're going to find on the Optimus Plus screen. So here is our screen turned on. And what I want to do is take you through some of the basics of the screens that you see. So we have a number of buttons that control the unit itself. And we have a number of screens on here that you can look through. And to get from one screen to the other, you simply press either the left or the right button, and it just scrolls all the way around through the screens. If you keep pressing right, you'll eventually get back to the first screen. This is the screen you'll see when you turn it on, and I just wanted to point out a few different things to you. So first of all, on a lot of these screens you'll see a green bar moving up and down, and that's a graphical representation of the sound level. And here is the sound level in the room where I'm speaking in digital form. So we have the title of the screen at the top, and we have the time and date at the bottom. Also on the screen you'll see on the very top right there, just there, the battery level, and it's also got the time as well. One of the first things that you need to do when you turn your meter on, before you start taking any measurements, is check a couple of things. First of all, I would always check to see you've got plenty of battery level, and if it's low, or if it's showing red, then replace the batteries before you start. The second thing that I would like you to check is the date and time. If the date and time are incorrect, you're going to need to change them. What you need to remember with these instruments is they don't take account of daylight savings time. So when the clocks change twice a year, just make sure the next time you use your instrument after that period, you double check the time and date just to make sure it's accurate. If you need to change the time and date, that's a very simple thing to do. You're going to use the menu function, which is using these three soft keys here. And if you click on menu, you can use these keys to move to the menu option that you'd like to use. In this case, we're going to set the clock, so I'm going to use the down arrow to set the clock. And then you can either press select, or you can press the middle white button. So this will take you into the current date and time. And then all you have to do is move along with the arrows to the item you want to change, use the up and down arrows to change it, and press OK. We've changed the date and time. And then when you want to get back to the measurement screen, just press back. It's as simple as that. So we've checked the battery, we've checked the date and time, and now, before we start a measurement, we're going to do a calibration.